Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Are you ready with your math book, children? Yes, come on, let's start. All of you open page number 18 of your workbook, children. Here, let's start with worksheet 1. We have the first heading, choose the correct option. Now, let me read the first question for you. Vidya bought 75 packets of sweets to sell. She sold 10 packets. How many packets are left with her? Now here Vidya, she bought 75 packets of sweets to sell, but she sold only 10 packets. How many packets are left? Now underline left. Left. The meaning of left is we have to do subtraction. So do this sum mentally, children. Here ones place is 5, here 0. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Next is 7 minus 1 is 6. That is 65. Tick C option, 65. Now let me read the second question for you. Riya had 25 colorful sheets. She gave 4 to her brother. How many sheets are left with her? So underline left. We have to do subtraction. From 25, you have to take away 4. See 25 minus 4. See here from 5 you take away 4. 1 is left. So next to 2 as it is. So 21. Tick 21. 2 mentally, children. Now let's move on to the third question, that is Joseph went to a library and saw 85 storybooks on the shelves. He took 10 storybooks for himself. How many storybooks are left on the shelf? Underline left. From 85 you have to take away 10 from 85. So do it mentally. 5 minus 0 is 5. 8 minus 1 is 7. So 75 books are left on the shelf. Tick that C option, 75, children. Now all of you open page number 19, children. Write today's date. Let me read the first question for you. Shika had 48 crayons. She lost 25 crayons. How many crayons does she have now? Now here Shika had 48 crayons. How many crayons she had? 48. Write down 48 in the first 2 boxes. Next, how many did she lose? She lost 25. Write down 25 in the next. Now you do subtraction. 8 minus 5 is 3. Write down 3 in the ones place. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the difference is 23. Now you have to check your answer using addition. So you have to write this subtrahend and this difference here in the box and add. So 25 plus 23. You have to get the minuend 48. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. So did we get the minuend 48 or not? Here 48, here also 48. So our answer 23 is correct. Now let's move to the next heading, that is subtract. 72 minus 18. Here see, children, always the first number should be a big number, but it is small here in the ones place. 2 is smaller than 8. So we have to borrow from the tens place. So here 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 12. So now 12 is big, 8 is small. So from 12 you can minus 8. Here stop counting after 8 and stop at 12. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is 4. Write down 4 in the ones place. Now 6 minus 1. From 6 if you take away 1 it is 5. Or you can start counting after 1 and stop at 6. You get the same answer. So the difference is 54. Now let's move on to the next question, that is 46 minus 27. So in the ones place from 6 we cannot minus 7. So we borrow from the tens place. 4 becomes 3 and 6 becomes 16. From 16 you can minus 7 now. Start counting after 7 and stop at 16. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It is 9. Write down 9 in the ones place and Now 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 in the tens place. So the difference we get is 19. Now 35 minus 19. From 5 we cannot minus 9. So we borrow from the tens place. 3 becomes 2 and 5 becomes 15. Start counting after 9 and stop at 15. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is 6. Write down 6 in the ones place. And now next 2 minus 1 is 1. Write 1 in the tens place. Here we get difference 16. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day, children.